on, guys? Chunky Monkey here. Today I'm making a deathmatch video. Joined like 20 seconds late, that's okay. And just apologies. Sorry about the last video I made because I didn't realize how close my mic was to my mouth. It made me sound like a retard. So, sorry about that. Just wanted to post something real quick. Just got this new op. I like it because of stickers. Even hit boxes these days. I'm training for a butterfly right now. So at default, this noob didn't have the thing. I guess. Rip my flick.
Shot. Very good.
Teach bomb.
That's kind of weird. So many
You
people.
monkey, save me. You sing that.
We got a speaker.
Yeah, it's you, faggot.
Yeah, dude, this kid. Sorry about that. Oh my. Stop going for them no scopes. That was confusing. How am I not hitting these shots? Silvers and their P90s.
Nice shot.
Even I just got a baby. has to be the worst gun in the game. Oh, rip the flat. What? Sorry guys, I suck. Kid no silencer. Kind of using this hot. Have these nice hollows on it, so I got it. Just cop them.
Worth it? Are you worth it? What? Bow, bow, bow. We gotta sell.
Nice shot.
Right, just get it.
Oh!
Alright. Get it on the counter.
Very good shot.
Hey, good. Doesn't have to count it.
Very nice.
Where are these people? Oh, there's one. Gotta kill this dude. Yeah, there's nothing. Feels bad.
Very good.
Kill that auto.
Nice shooting.
This is Chunky Monkey.
That war is winning.
Thanks for watching this video. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And I'm out.